equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the LCD cover. First, power off your ASUS GA503R and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the battery is removed, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws to remove. Be sure to keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. After unscrewing, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. It's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you find inside. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other components. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Now, locate the LCD cover. You will need to unscrew the hinges that hold the LCD in place. There are usually 2 screws on each hinge. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always consult with us. Once the hinges are free, gently lift the LCD screen away from the base. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen. You may need to disconnect these before fully removing the LCD. Take your time to avoid any damage. Next, take your new LCD cover and align it with the screen. Ensure that all clips are properly seated. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once the new cover is in place, reattach the hinges by screwing them back in. Make sure they are secure but do not over-tighten, as this could cause damage. After securing the hinges, reconnect any cables that were previously disconnected. Now, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the back panel back on and screw it in place, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the LCD cover on your ASUS GA503R. Enjoy your refreshed laptop. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.